Todd Miner Sr. describes his 12-year-old son Matthew as adventurous, fun-loving, stood up for other kids at school.
He lit up a room when he came in.
One night at home in March 2019, Miner's older son shouted from upstairs. Something was wrong with Matthew.
When I got up there, he had something wrapped around his neck.
A military vet, Miner performed CPR. He was hopeful when he heard a pulse. But at 2 a.m. at the hospital,
that's when they told us Matthew had unfortunately passed.
A detective came to speak with Miner and his wife.
That's when he started talking about the social media challenges. And he said he was seeing a lot of this.
What they pieced together haunts them to this day. Matthew saw a blackout challenge on social media, kids asphyxiating themselves for fun.
I don't know how to get it across that I don't want other families to go through what we went through.
The Miners will be among dozens of parents and advocates in the room when CEOs of X, TikTok, Snap, Meta, and Discord testify before the Senate Judiciary Committee Wednesday, calling for the passage of the Kids Online Safety Act, legislation that would require platforms to give parents more controls to protect their kids and place more accountability on platforms for dangers posed to underage users.
They have promised for years that things would change, and they just haven't.
Many of the platforms push back on that accusation. Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, has rolled out more than a dozen child safety features in the past year aimed at mental health and privacy. Snapchat also adding protections for teens like warnings for suspicious content. Advocates say lawmakers share the blame, holding more than 40 hearings since 2017 with little to show for it.
Our message is really simple. We want the vote, and we want it now.
I'm told parents from across the country are traveling here to Capitol Hill to come face to face with these tech CEOs. Among them are parents who've also lost kids to suicide, eating disorders, or overdoses from drugs purchased through social media. On Capitol Hill, I'm Atra El-Nashar for the National Desk, America's News Now.